on the bench today, I have a Remington Model 33, and this is a 22 long rifle. Customer brought it in. They gun used to belong to their father, and they just wanted it cleaned up. They didn't want the wood restored. They wanted to keep the dings and bumps in it, because there's a substantial ding back here on the stock, but he wanted to keep all of that because it reminds me of his father. And so, you know, what we're going to do is we're going to just lightly preserve this a little bit. We're going to clean some of the corrosion we have up top here. We're going to clean the barrel. We're also going to replace the missing elevator back here, and we're going to replace the firing pin, because I did a test fire with the customer, and it just didn't work. So the firing pin looks like it's broke. So I'm gonna pull it out, do a close up here, somewhere in this area, show you that. But essentially what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this down real quick, and it's not really, again, we're just gonna pull actually, you know what, we'll just do that right now. So we'll pull that back, pull the trigger, pull that out, and I'll show you firing pin, and see if I'll push that forward a little bit. Yeah, firing pin is broke. So we're gonna take this apart. We're gonna get a new firing pin in there. Like I said, clean this up, do a little light touch-ups here and there. But outside of that, we'll just go from there. But like I said, I'm gonna take this apart off camera, and because you've seen me take apart guns before, so you know, it's a couple screws back here, big screw right here. So we'll do that, and we'll be right back. All right. So the first thing we need to repair on this after we've got it taken apart is we need to put the elevator back on here. So there's a rear elevator that's been just missing. So went ahead and ordered one off eBay. There's our elevator. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna stick it in like so. Just check for fit. And you'll notice that I knocked this out a little bit here to make that a little bit easier. So now we're gonna knock it back in. So now that we got the elevator on there, put it right about there. Grab my hammer here. Grab my punch. I've got it wrapped in a little bit of tape to keep it from marring up. Technical difficulties. All right, we got that knocked back in pretty good there. So touch that up a little bit. Got a little bit of a bunch through a little bit there, so I'm gonna touch that up just a little bit, but I'm gonna reset here, and then we're going to redo the bolt. All right, it's been a couple of days. We've got the new part in for the bolt. Sorry for the mess. Got another gun on the bench here that we'll be focusing on here in another video, but for right now we're gonna be focusing on this 22 right now. So got the part. We're gonna open it up. I like it when stuff is packaged correctly. Okay, so there's the bolt. There's the new one. Let's get the old one out. Let's do a quick comparison of the two. This is the one that came in the thing that's got the broken firing pin, and this one is a correct firing pin. So we're gonna set this in. All right, looks like it works just fine. Let's get it tested out and see if it, actually first, now that we got this in, I'm gonna do a test fire of it real quick. And then we're gonna finish cleaning up the weapon, getting it oiled up, and then be right back. It's a little windy, so we'll do, I'll do it this close. So this is gonna be the Remington Model 33 22 long rifle, single shot. Ejector works just fine. 2 more shots. fight.